How to fix filters option not showing on WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started with fixing this problem. First thing first, if you are not being able to see all the filter options in your WhatsApp, you have to make sure that you are using the updated version of your app. For that, head over to your Play Store, search for WhatsApp. If you see update instead of open, tap on update and update your app. Now for the second step, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below until you see the option of apps. Open your apps and tap on the search bar icon on your top right-hand side. Here again, type in WhatsApp. Tap onto WhatsApp, then tap Storage. Here simply clear the cache. Come back onto App Info page, tap on Permissions. Make sure that you have allowed permissions for all the things that are required, like your camera, contact, and microphone. Once done, come back onto this Set as Default button and untoggle it. Likewise, once you do all this, restart your device and this shall definitely fix your problem. That is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.